Drugs. What do you think of when you think of drugs? I see a face over there who got really excited when I mentioned drugs, so I know what they're thinking of. But when I think of drugs, I think of vaccines. Now, drugs and plants, that same face, I see it's still really excited. I know what they're thinking. But I think of something called molecular farming. Now, what is molecular farming? Molecular farming is using plants as little biological factories to make biopharmaceuticals that you can then farm. Hence, the clever portmanteau. Now, molecular farming has been used for a bunch of different things. It's been used to make flu vaccines, and most recently, it was the way that was produced the only drug that was effective against Ebola. Now, my lab is over at Agriculture Canada. And at Agriculture Canada, we're working on things that will make our agricultural industry in Canada better. So we're working on making veterinary vaccines. And in specific, my project is focused on a disease called porcine epidemic diarrhea virus. Now, porcine epidemic diarrhea virus, or PED, has been a really big problem in Asia, but really started affecting us here in Canada because last year it started being detected on pig farms across the country. And really, it's a big problem because little piglets, like the cute little ones you see here, that contract PED, almost 100% of them die. And even when PED is contracted by larvae that are being fattened for the food industry, also experience severe weight loss, reducing our bacon supply. So my project, I want to protect these cute little piglets, and I want to save our bacon by making a vaccine for this virus. And I want to do that through molecular farming. So how exactly does that work? Well, if you remember, a gene is a little biological instruction booklet that bodies use to make proteins. This virus is made of proteins. So I want to take a gene for a protein of the virus that won't affect the pig, but that the pig can recognize so that when the real virus comes along, it'll be ready. It'll be able to save itself. So I'm going to take this gene. This gene is called the antigen. I'm going to insert it into bacteria. Now I'm going to get the bacteria to do the work for me. I'm going to insert them into leaves using a little syringe, like shown. And the bacteria are going to go all around the leaf and insert my gene all around this plant leaf. Now, I have it easy, because then I'm just going to get the plant to do the work for me. The plant is going to read this little set of instructions. It's going to make this protein, which is my vaccine, and I'm going to have this nice little leaf that has tons of my vaccine protein. Then I guess I can do something. I'm going to take that leaf, I'm going to feed it to pigs and little piglets, and I'm going to make sure these cute little piglets stay safe and that Canada can continue to bring home the bacon. Thank you.